increase of HP. They can give you damage of charge troops but can't give you any HP from here. And next is Sage technology. Let's see if we can get HP from here or not. Even from Sage technology, we won't get any HP. Let's go to next research. Come on, man. The strongest kingdom preparation. If we can get HP from here, but if we get HP from here, we won't be able to use that HP in normal days or in sea or in mineral veins or in any other place like AB, Ancient Battle or anywhere. We will only use in KVK, in his kingdom versus kingdom. Let's see if we can get from HP from here. So we won't get any HP from here as well. But let's see from the strongest kingdom enhancement we can get any HP or not. From first one you will get HP. Song of Life. How much you will get? All soldier HP boost in original kingdom. In your own kingdom you will get 5%. In opponent kingdom you won't get that 5%. But earlier 51% HP which I showed in college, you will get anywhere you want. In your kingdom, in any other places, C, wins, in AB, in kingdom versus kingdom, anywhere you will get. But those 5% you will only get in your own kingdom. And then from Bloody Rage you will get HP. All soldier HP boost in enemy kingdom during the conquest. You will get only 5% from here when you will be in enemy's kingdom. Let's see if we can get more on. Only 10% from the stronger kingdom enhancement, but for 5% for your own kingdom and 5% for enemy kingdom. But this is one again only for kingdom versus kingdom, not for everything. Let's go to civilization science, if we can get any HP from here or not. So far we get 51% HP for all kingdoms and 5% for KVK. Those 51% is for everything you will get in KVK, Vayne, in Ancient Battlefield, in anywhere, sea, mysterious sea, wherever you go you will get those 51% advantage for HP, but not these 5%. And 85% which I showed you in civilization you will get also. So this is so far 136% HP. Anywhere you will go you will get from those research. Let's go to civilization science. Same from civilization science, you won't get any HP, but you will get, if you want you can get attack and defense from here. You can see defense, attack. If you want you can get from here. Same, look here. So if you want you can get those, but HP won't. And now let's go to advanced city defense. You won't get any HP from here, not even attack or defense from advanced city defense. Now last one, Dragon Auklet. You can get any HP from here or not. This one. So you can see name is Dragon Auklet, so you will get only dragon related attributes from here, not HP for your troops. So call is done and civilization done. 51% from college, 85% from civilization. So 136% overall you will get, and 5% for kingdom versus kingdom. 5% in your own kingdom and 5% in your enemy kingdom. So these are Not for everything, but those 136% you will get anywhere you will go. Let's go to last one, Sage Tower. First, Book of Honor. You won't get any HP, any attack from here. Then Book of Disciplines. Even you can't get any HP or attack from here. Then Book of Internal Life. Let's go and see. Here you will increase your few other attributes as well, but from defense HP. Here you will increase your HP. Increase of HP of defensive troop in your side. So let's see how much we can increase from here. 22% increase of HP defensive troop in your side. You will get 22% HP or defensive HP. Then you will increase your HP 4% Sage Engine health HP from here. Archer 4% from here. Cavalry health 4% from here. And infantry health 4% from here. So it means all your troops will get 4% HP from here. And then you will get 10% HP from here from all your troops as well. So it's mean overall you will get 14% HP from here for all your troops. Let's go there. You won't get any HP or not. From here you will get your HP for level 13 troops. As you can see, all those troops are level 13. And you will get 10% HP for all your level 30 troops from here. 10% HP. From here you got 14% HP as you saw, and from here 13% for all your level 13 HP. Now let's go to Book of Battles, if we can get any HP from here or not. From this chapter, first chapter, you won't get any HP, but from second chapter you will get HP. Let's see how much HP and which troop. Infantry HP you will get by 5.5%. From here you will get 5.5% HP. And then let's go to chapter number 3 of Book of Battles. You will get how much HP? Same 5.5% for cavalry. Let's go to book number 4, Archer HP. You will get 5.5%, same from here. And then from here you will get Sage Engine HP by 5.5%. So Book of Battle will give you 5.5% HP for all your troops. Now let's go to Book of Paladin. Level 30 troops. Level 13 troops. If you can get HP for your level 13 HP troops or not. This one is for level 13. 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 All those 4 books are for level 13 troops. Let's see if we can get any HP for level 13 troops from here or not. Here you can see you will get HP 20% for your level 13 troops. And Paladin HP boost. Let's go to see if we can get from here. Here you can get Paladin debt wounded 2%. This is not for HP. And same from here, you won't get any HP. So you will get only 20% HP from Book of Paladin for Paladin troops. And now go to Book of Griffin. You will get 20% HP for Griffin troops, and same, nothing else. Then Delfire, you will get 20% HP for Delfire. Here you will get 20% of HP for Delfire, and then for Grenade Siege, you will get 20% HP for Grenade Siege. But this is for only for, as I mentioned before, all are level 13 troops, so we'll get only HP for those troops. Now let's go to Book of Minerals, if you can get any HP from here or not. And remember this again, this is for only for mineral wine. You won't get those attributes in any other place. You will get only in mineral wine if you go to mineral wine. If you don't go to mineral wine, don't waste your items, your time, or your resources here. Go and see if we can get or not. Here you will get infantry HP attributes bonus after taking the fearless fort. First you need to take fearless fort and then you will get the advantage. So I will not go with this if I am not a spender. If you are a spender, you can go with it because you will do whatever you want. But if you are non-spender, you won't be able to do all the research you need to do, important research. But you can get HP from here. Same for cavalry, same for archer, and same for siege engine. But I will not prefer you to go here. And then book of recruitment. This will also not give you any HP because this is recruitment book. And then go to book of resources. Even this will not give you any HP. And book of construction, this will also not give you any. Book of balance, let's see if we can get any HP from book of balance. First book won't give any, and then second one will give us. Here you will see infantry health HP. We will get 10% from here. Infantry health, 10% for cavalry, 10% for archer health, and 10% for siege engine health, as you can see. And other are not that useful. And let's see if we can get more or not. We can get HP from here, 5% for infantry, 5% for cavalry, 5% for archer, and 5% for siege. So book of balance will give you 15% of HP for all of your troops. Let's go to book of sea. As I told you in my last video that book of sea is very useful research. You need little resources and you will get advantage in your real kingdom and also in mysterious sea. Let's see if we can get any HP from here or not. From here you will get 5% infantry, archer, cavalry, and siege engine HP boost by 5%. Let's see if we can get more. We can only get 5% from book of sea chapter number 1. Let's go to chapter number 2. Here you will increase your cavalry HP by 5%, archer HP by 5%, infantry HP by 5%, and siege engine HP by 5%. So far 10% you can get from book of sea, but wait, you can get more. 4% from here, from 4% for all your troops from here. So book of sea chapter number 2 will give you 9% of HP for all your troops. Let's go to book number 3. Same for book number 3, you will get 5% HP for all your troops. And 4% for all your troops. So 9% book of sea chapter number 3, 9% from book of sea chapter number 2, and 5% from chapter number 1. So overall you will get 23% HP from book of sea, even in your own original kingdom and also in your mysterious sea. Let's go to Book of Conquest, if we can get any HP from here or not. From Book of Conquest chapter number 1 you will get HP, all soldier HP boost in original kingdom during conquest. During KVK you will get 5% HP in your original kingdom, but it is only for kingdom versus kingdom. And then again in enemy kingdom you will get 5% HP for all your troops. Here you can see 5%. Let's go to chapter number 2. Again you will get all your troops HP in enemy kingdom during conquest. And here you will get archer, increase of HP of your all troops by 4%. So from here you can get your HP as well. Let's go to chapter number 3. From here you will get all soldier HP boost in enemy kingdom 5%, and all soldier boost in original kingdom by 5% as well from here. And you can get all your troops HP from here by 4%. From here you will get 4% more. So you, from Book of Conquest you can increase your HP. Let's go to Book of War Elephant. Here, from here you can increase 20% of HP of your War Elephant. And no more from here. Let's see if we can get more or not. We can't. So hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. I need your help. If you want to know anything, just comment below and I will make video on that thing or that topic. So kindly subscribe my channel. I need your help. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my channel.